Bago ang madamdamin na mensahe. Magbalik tanaw muna tayo sa nakaraan. Shucks naman. So yeah, ready? Get set? Go. Noon, akala ko ang wagas ng dog. Here we go. Ako yung tipo ng tao na gusto ko sa akin lang lahat, lalo na sa attention. Nung nalaman ko na pinagbubuntis ka na ni Tats, I'm like, paano na ako? I was selfish that time. Takot ako na baka mawala ang atensyon nila sa akin. Takot ako na baka di na nila ako love kapag dumating ka na. Takot ako kasi nasanay akong ako lang. I just realize it now na noon akala ko magagalit ako kapag andyan ka na. But no, it didn't happen even once. When I saw you that night around 10 to 11ish, oh my god, I'm not really sure that time, bebe. But May 16, 2023, yes, you'll be in my heart always. 2003. Hey, I knew that I will love this girl. I knew that time that you're my little sister. Nabubulol pa ano ba? Wag maging iyak. Wag emotional. Wag iyak. Whew. I knew that I can fight for you no matter what. I knew that I will be at your side as long as you want me to. But now, whether you like it or not, no choice, bebe. Ate will always kulit you. I'm thankful ng sobra-sobra dahil I have you. A person who I can rant with. A person who's willing to listen to me without judgment. A person who understands what I've been through then and now. A person who never underestimate my capability, who always believes and cheers on me and celebrate my winnings, a person who loves me unconditionally. You are truly a blessing to me. Thank you for the love, care, and trust. Sabi ko nga sa mga bebe natin, I can't be a good tita bebe if I didn't have you. I can't be a tita bebe if I am not an ate to you. So, ikaw yung trial and error sa pagiging mabuti kong tita. So, I think it works. Just letting you know, I'm here. Andito ako. Yaon ako. Never kang masolo. I'm your one and only big sister. Then and now, ang pagsuporta mi sa imo ni ate mo. Yaon permi, mayong tapos. Dawa mag-succeed or dae, aram mo kung sa inga maduman. You have a place in our home. Yaon lang ako permi, aram ko halawig pa ang tatahakon mo. Masasakitan, madadapla, makukulugan, mapapagal. That's okay. Magtiwala ka sa diri mo na kaya mo. Pwede magpahingalo, pwedeng mapagal. Tao ka lang din. Take your time. Yaon ako nakaalalay, masuporta, ma-cheer si imo. And that's for sure. Sana pirmi akong yaon para makugos ka pag napapagal ka na. Yeah. So, bayaan mo. Mabawi sa ate ulit, okay? Pero maugmahon ang puso ko na daw pa paano nailuwas ko ka mo. Sobrang fulfilling sa part ko. Dawa, once lang nangyari. Pero it's like core memory. I'll be back soon. And that's a promise. Enjoy life. Enjoy your young age. Enjoy little things. Always give yourself a credit. And you deserve that, okay? Magpahingalo din. Health is wealth. You can always count on me, my baby. I love you so much, and I miss you a lot. Happy 21st birthday. Love, ate.